Hey friends, if you wish to open non-secure websites in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. First of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then open Google Chrome. And then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. And then you can go to privacy and security. In the right pane, there's something called as safe browsing. Okay. So you can go to security and you can select no protection here for safe browsing. Now you will be able to open websites with HTTP only and not HTTPS. However, if it was selected at standard protection or enhanced protection, you would not be able to open such websites. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.